what is one piece of advice you would like to give to all the diabetes patients for diabetic foot and their family members?
My one piece of advice would be अपने चेहरे से ज़्यादा अपने पैर का ख्याल रखना ज़रूरी है. Whenever I say कि आपको डायबिटिक फुट के लिए प्लास्टिक सर्जन को मिलना चाहिए, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपका सर्जरी होने वाला है. There are few simple things that you can do which I can advise to a diabetic foot patient that can prevent you from any hospital admissions in a long run. So these are few simple things that you can follow, or a small simple investment in your own health that you can do, which can prevent you from simple callosity to ulcers to gangrene to amputations.
Right.
So I am there to save your legs and I am there to save your lives.
Again, I think I am repeating this question, but this is a very, very important question. If a diabetes patient is noticing some wound, some ulcer in their foot, what should be the immediate action?
So first thing that they should do is take help of the first relative who is available. Find out what is happening around. अगर वो पैर को observe कर पा रहे हैं खुद से तो ठीक है. Otherwise, take care of your relative and please apply some antiseptic solution or an antibiotic ointment nearby in the foot, and please get to a plastic surgeon for a complete evaluation of a foot. Or if the plastic surgeon nearby is not available, please get to a diabetic foot doctor, then you can get help from him.
And we spoke about diabetic foot क्या है, इसमें complications क्या है. But if you can tell our audience कि ये complications को कैसे हम prevent कर सकते हैं, what are the important preventive measures for this problem?
So first thing is observe, because like age-old saying, prevention is better than cure. That is always true. Take care of your diabetes. Understand and recognize that you have a diabetes. It is a metabolic disease. It can be controlled, or it sometimes can be reversed if you follow the correct nutrition, if you follow a correct diet. You should have a person to guide you for the same thing. Please take care of your diabetes by following the medications that have been given to you. Routinely evaluate yourself. Every 6 monthly you should have a foot examination or your foot evaluation, so that there is no ulcers or no callosities that are developing. And for the relatives, it is important to understand that if a person himself is not able to understand the gravity, you should understand the gravity, because the patient is not going to have that pain of the ulcer. What he will say is, patients usually have a चलता है attitude, जिसके अंदर वो कहते हैं कि ठीक है, जख्म है, चलता जा रहा है, मैं रोज घर पे साफ सफाई करते बेटाडीन लगाता हूँ, ड्रेसिंग कर देता हूँ, और वो गीला हो जाने के बाद में अगले दिन वो ड्रेसिंग चेंज कर देता हूँ. वो ना ही अल्सर आप मुझे दर्द दे रहा है, ना ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है. बट बिलीव मी, दिस सिंपल अल्सर अगर शुगर्स अनकंट्रोल्ड हो जाती है, it can overnight land you in an ICU. I know when I'm saying this line, people with diabetes might hate me, but this is the fact that it can change the scenario overnight. So it is going to trouble you if you do not take care of your foot.
Right. And as we always say, the first step towards prevention is awareness. I think this episode, all the information you have shared with our audience is going to be very, very useful for them to be aware about this topic. Now, what is one piece of advice you would like to give to all the diabetes patients for diabetic foot and their family members?
So my one piece of advice would be, अपने चेहरे से ज़्यादा अपने पैर का ख्याल रखना ज़रूरी है. Whenever I say कि आपको डायबिटिक फुट के लिए प्लास्टिक सर्जन को मिलना चाहिए, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपका सर्जरी होने वाला है. There are few simple things that you can do which I can advise to a diabetic foot patient that can prevent you from any hospital admissions in a long run. So these are few simple things that you can follow, or a small simple investment in your own health that you can do, which can prevent you from going into a no, from the transition from a simple callosity to ulcers to gangrene to amputations.
Right.
So I'm there to save your legs and I'm there to save your lives. So please take care of your feet. For any advice or any help, or if there is anything that you want from diabetic food perspective, I'm always there. So you can ask me or you can ping me, even if there is if you do not stay nearby, if you stay far away, just WhatsApp me. I can guide you in preventing an amputation of your leg.
So, sir, the next question is going to be very close to my heart or directly from my heart. Does this condition require any nutrition attention?
So absolutely, whenever there is a diabetic foot, like I said, diabetes एक मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर है, आपकी बॉडी का मेटाबॉलिज्म चेंज हो रहा है. उसके अंदर अगर कहीं किसी को इन्फेक्शन होता है, सो व्हेनेवर देयर इज एन इन्फेक्शन, हमको पूछा जाता है सर हमको सूखने वाली दवाई दे दो, हमको एंटीबायोटिक दे दो जिससे वो सूख जाए. सी, सूखने वाली दवाई और एंटीबायोटिक जो भी आप पूछ रहे हैं, दैट इज here to help you prevent the infection or it is here to help you treat the infection. लेकिन अगर कोई अल्सर बन गया है और कोई जख्म बन गया है, उसको हील होने में आपका खुद का न्यूट्रिशन ही उसके अंदर हेल्प करने वाला है. No antibiotic, no medications, no supplements, nothing is going to help you. Only your pure nutrition, आपका protein rich diet, आपका diabetic diet which will reduce your glycemic index, which will improve your antioxidant contents, which I'm sure madam is more expert in advising you. So that helps in preventing the ulcers or so, and that helps in healing the wounds in a faster way.
Right, right. So, Dr. Om, I must say that this is one of the best episode we had shot, and this information which you have shared with me and the audience, there was so much to learn about. But we have a special section at the end of every episode where the expert gives some quick tips to our audience. So, if you can share 4 to 5 special tips or quick tips with our audience today.
So first thing is observe your feet daily. That is just for a 5 minutes. Second thing is moisturize. If there are any cracks in the feet that are developing, please moisturize them. Third thing is do not ignore. Please, if there is any small cuts, it might just waste a small trip to a hospital, and you might feel that it is a small trip to the hospital might be a waste. Plus, but please believe me, it can save you big time. Fourthly, please use footwear, and when you are using footwear, you should be using the correct size fitting footwear, and that footwear has to be used for maximum time. Be you are indoor, be you are outdoor, but please, footwear has to be used. And thirdly, lastly, do not ignore. Do not ignore if there are any ulcers which are not healing. Please get them evaluated.
Thank you so much, Dr. Om. Again, I would like to, say that this was one of the best episode. Though the conversation was crisp, and I think this was a very important topic which we wanted to take in our podcast since a long, long time. So thank you so much for sharing your knowledge on our podcast today. Thank you so much, everyone, for supporting Aura Health Hub. Keep showering your love and support on Aura Health Hub. Please like, subscribe, and share our episodes and reels with your friends and family. Thank you so much.